Hello everyone, I will explain the Hacker diagram code. First, we need to know what's a Hacker diagram. The Hacker diagram is kind of a variation diagram with the silicon dioxide as a horizontal coordinate and other oxide and trace element as a vertical coordinate. So we just know how to plot the scatter diagram. We can use it. Back to the code. Initially, we need to input some package we need. Here, because I want display Chinese character, I input font manager. And here the font manager need to read the font file, and then we can use the font. Here we read the data side. Let me see the data side. The data side contains the content of some elements, such as silicon oxide and titanium dioxide. But one thing to note that there is a true value. We note the date as 1 or -1 for distinguish between the mid-semantic and the unmid-semantic. Back to the code. We define the class and the function for easy invocation. We need to deal with the data side before drawing the plot. Here, we use a 0 replace the name value because our data side has a name value. We can't drive the plot. Use this, we can display the data side information like this. Because the data side version is different. In there, a true value 22 is mid-semantic and 101 is mid-semantic. We plot mid-semantic data and the mid-semantic data respectively. Here, we select the 9 kinds of elements. Let me first set the convenience parameters. We choose display in the form of a 3x3 subgraph. Here, we use a plot statement for driving. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. And then we refine the picture and add the x and y label and legend. Then we can save it. And same as it, we can plot other elements. Finally, we use the class for plotting.